Hello everybody, it's Greg here from Rugosa. Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great week. If it's your first time here, welcome. We're glad to have you. If you're returning, then thank you for coming by again. Great to see you. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. And right now, you're catching me in the middle of the last little bit of the morning trading. I'm trying to get out of an S&P 500 E micro contract position here, but corn is going nuts. Here, let's pull up the 5-minute chart on corn here today. We spiked up at 23. And the VWAP here is 518, so the VWAP sitting right there. Open today came in at like 513 or something like that, so we're nicely above open. Oops. Got everything all sorted out. Okay, I guess I gotta take eyes off of that for a moment. I've got it up on the other monitor there that I'm watching though. So we see that the corn's pulling back, but corn has been, just rocking and rolling this week. Over the weekend, Farm Journal, they did some more touring. Discovered that maybe bushels are not going to be as strong, and there was also some field flooding and stuff like that they discovered. So it could be pushing corn prices higher, and that's kind of what looks like has happened. It looks like also logistics-wise, some things are smoothing out. There's a little bit more flow over the weekend and for the next few more days down the Mississippi. So that's all good to know. The kind of macro demand looks like it's increased across the board. Next year we're looking at a similar move. It was about 6 points in 2026 harvest. 2027 is 6 points as well too. So that brings us up to where we are right now. Let me just go back, look where my... Okay. So corn is really putting us in a position where we got to make some decisions. And I've been watching the spread here, and trying to think when would be a nice time to roll. This one's 24.4. And this one's 24.7. So even if I get the worst roll possible, it's still kind of in our favor. And this is looking at 1 7/8 credit. We'll pull off the table here. At best, maybe we can get 1.5 points or something like that in credit collected. But this being the second day that corn has pushed above our short strike, I wanted to wait until that contract got below 30 days to roll out, but it looks like we're rolling up and out right now. So that's where we're at, the up and out roll. So let's go and try to get that. It's 24/7. Okay, so that looks like it's pretty decent. Let's just double check what the okay. We're gonna put you down at 15. Give us some space. Does that, yeah. Wait, 520, and then the 530. We're gonna sell you, let's put you at 18. Okay. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. All right. 24.6. 24.3. All right. All right, let's try to get this roll done. Corn looks like it's going for a bit of a run, so we're gonna buy. Well, I think it's always safer to buy back first. Cancel out our risk. Let's see what the markets are like. That's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. Let's buy you back for mid. No.
Order filled. Order filled.
So 2/8, 1/4. We did the worst job possible on the roll. That is life. Maybe it would have been better to run this through in a combo. But anyhow, let's see this update. Okay. Now let's just put this in the notes here. So we close 31 DT. Bum, 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 bum. 9 5/8. Negative. Three eighths, 4/8. Let's go back and keep an eye on my MES here. Uh, 17 3/8. I mean, it's still not the worst. And when we got it down 1 1/4, well, a little bit after that, it's not the worst roll. Okay, 17. What's 3/8? I don't want to do math. All right. So updated combos 27,375. All right, that gives us a little bit more room for corn to run for us. We took a little bit of points off the table here. Is that the move? I don't know. I don't know. I hope so. You know, it gives us more room to run. And we'll see how she goes. But yeah, it's, you know what, so far corn has been very, very nice to us. We collected, where was this? 5 1/8 points on that, and right now our position is $24.375. 24 1/4. So that's, you know, 4 points above that. So we're at 9 points. If we closed everything out right now, 9 points of gains, which is, you know, I think that's awesome. If we look at corn over the, you know, where was it was back there. You know, 9 points out of this whole thing doesn't seem like a lot, but the corn contract has a lot of leverage baked in, and then running the options has a lot of leverage, you know, as well too, that you're utilizing. But using the poor man's covered call, we get a little bit of a built-in hedge, and our cost basis is a little lower. We also have defined risk in case things go crazy on us. And I think essentially we're running somewhere like maybe 6 times leverage. I think, if my quick math, which I don't trust my quick math, I think it's 6. It's somewhere between 4 and 8. It's a big range, so let's go 6. I think it's like 6 times leverage that we're running on this position, and you know, I think that should be enough leverage for just about anybody, almost, you know. Of course you can make more leverage in any kind of way you want, but you know, when you look, and we got in at 485, let's say this, so it's 15, 37 points, and we only got 9 out of 37. It doesn't seem like much. But if you recall, so this has gone up 7.7. Let's go 7.75%, and 9 points out of our 19-point initial sell to open is over 50%. So that's corn's gone up 7 3/4. We've gone up basically 50%. I think that's kind of cool. All right. Well, that's the update with where corn is at. I think either where are we here? I think tomorrow night I'm going to update my fundamentals tracker, and we'll try to see where things are at there. But for right now, this is our corn. So corn is doing well for us. Yeah. All right. Thank you for stopping by. And as far as how everything's go, this is actually a short video for me, funny enough. So thank you for sticking around, and have yourselves a wonderful week. Goodbye.